Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to stack and layer emojis on iMessage in iPhone. First of all, you have to enable iMessage. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see message. Now just tap on message and here must enable iMessage option. Once done, open your message app and go to the conversation where you want to send stack and layer emojis. Now open your keyboard by tapping on iMessage box and open emoji keyboard. Now all you have to need to send layer emojis like this, you have to simply tap on the emoji and drag the emoji like this and place the emoji, and here we can see the emoji has been successfully layered. The same way, let's select another emoji here. Let's add this emoji. And this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.